want you to tell everybody about Project Foodie. It's an app, and it's brilliant. It's really cool.
Thank you so much. My brother, he's an Emmy award-winning television producer.
Right.
And he got together and we said, you know, cookbooks, there are amazing cookbooks out there. I have a huge collection. They show people, they teach people how to, you know, cook, but we wanted to actually show them in real time how to go through the steps so that when you're cooking, we actually cook along. You open the app.
It's a cook-along.
Yeah, it's a cook-along. So all of the videos are in full length. We have all of the ingredients and you can scale them. You can have them delivered to your house through your favorite kind of like delivery system that pairs with the app. And then, you know, once the ingredients are in your house, we don't, you know, pre-chop everything for you.
No, you have to cook.
The idea is that you cook through, but you have the confidence of cooking with a chef the whole time.
Well, no, he's just saying that it's different than a delivery system like Blue Apron or something where everything's portioned and you're kind of only doing a little bit of work, right?
Yeah.
This is the raw ingredients.
I mean, for me...
So you have more. You have leftover ingredients.
You have leftover ingredients, and I mean, for me, the idea is that people want to actually learn how to cook and have that confidence to do it again on your own.
Exactly. It's a little more empowering, I think, if you cook your way through it.
Yeah.
And because you learned how to do something.
I mean, we all love to cook, right? That's why we're here.
That's why I'm here.
That's why we're here.
That's why I got a job.